In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone screen not responding to touch. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help the channel and let us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you don't know, one of the most common causes of touchscreen issues is actually the screen protector or the case on your iPhone. So first, try removing the case and peeling off that screen protector, clean the screen and see if that fixes it. But if your touch still isn't responding, the next step is to force restart your iPhone. This works great because you actually don't need to use the touchscreen at all in order to do this. What you're going to want to do is press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then press and hold the side power button. And you're going to see an option for the slide to power off screen. Ignore it and keep holding down that side button until the screen goes black and that Apple logo disappear. Once you see that Apple logo, go ahead and take your finger off of that button so your iPhone will reboot. And in most cases, this is going to get that touchscreen working again. So again, volume up, volume down, hold that side power button until the Apple logo shows up and you're good to go. But yeah, that is how you could fix an unresponsive iPhone touchscreen quickly. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.